Got it. Okay. Okay. Our topic for today is visual diagnosis, inspections for gums and teeth. Visual diagnosis of the gums. Like the lips and the tongue, the state of the gums can be used to diagnose conditions of heat and su. Furthermore, the gums are under the direct influence of the spleen and stomach. This means that imbalances in these two organs can manifest directly in the gums. This is also logical when viewed from a Western medicine's perspective. The oral cavity is part of the digestive tract and has evolved from the same tissue as the stomach in the embryological stage. In practice, this means that the state of the stomach fire can manifest with very red, bleeding gums. Bleeding gums can also arise from ASU conditions. Stomachian SU heat can also manifest with bleeding gums, as can spleen, Chi SU. In both yin, SU and Chi heat, the hemorrhaging will occur because SU has becoming agitated by the heat, rupturing the walls of the vessels. When there is the spleen Chi SU, the spleen may be unable to hold SU within the blood vessels. There can, of course, be situations where both of these aspects are present simultaneously. It could be that the SU is agitated by the heat and the spleen is too weak to keep the agitated SU inside the blood vessels. The primary diagnostic difference in bleeding gums is the color of the gums. In conditions of heat, the gums will be red. If there's a spleen tissue, the gums will be pale in color. The gum can also be pale if there is su-yang, or cold resulting in a lack of su in this area. When there is qi and su, the gums can begin to recede, exposing the roots of the teeth. Heat, on the other hand, can damage the tissue, resulting in ulcers in the gums. Here we have the observations of the gums. Under observations and the significance, pale gums, the significance is the splee, chi, su. Can also be su, yang, su, or cold. Another observation is the very red gums. The significance of this is the heat, both su and chi. Another observation is the weeping ulcers. This is a down heat, stomach fire, receding gums, chi and su. So we have the shape. We can observe the swollen gum and the ulcerations or bleeding. This means the stomach fire or flaming upwards. We will notice under the bleeding with the vein and swelling, or chronic bleeding without vein, means the stomach fire flaming upward, or deficiency fire flaming upwards, or the spleen chi deficiency. So we have the inspections of the teeth. Teeth are the surplus of bone, and bone is governed by the kidney. Therefore, the root changes and failure of the teeth are all directly related to the functions of the kidney. The yang ming channels of hand and foot pass through the gums. Hence, inspections of the teeth and gums contributes to understanding kidney, stomach, and intestinal disorders. Normal teeth should be bright, moist, and clean without tartar. All the teeth should be present. So we have a diagram here, the teeth inspections, description and indications. So let's look at the color. White, the description is white with a moist sheen, bright and clean. The indications is kidney chi flourishing. So white, dry without sheen, kidney yin, exhaustions. So if the teeth is, you inspect the teeth is yellow, the color is yellow. The description is gradually yellows with age. Indications is normal physiology. Yellow, sudden change to yellow, it means the indication is kidney deficiency. If you, the description is dull yellow, like soybean, means kidney failure. If the color of the teeth is black, or fleece black, like black bean, it means exhaustions of both yin and yang. If there is a tartar, the creamy yellow, it indicates the evaporated stomach turbidity. Blurred and dry, kidneys and stomach exhaustions. Inspection, if the shape of the teeth is delayed appearance of baby or adult teeth in children's, it means essence deficiency. If the shape of the teeth is grow and deviated angles or missing teeth, it means insufficient in young Ming Chi. Loss of teeth among adult, receding gums with exposure of the root of the teeth, means flaming upward or deficiency far due to kidney yin deficiency. So, teeth and gums. If the teeth and gum is swollen and painful gums, it means stomach heat. If the teeth and gums swollen but not painful gums, it means stomach empty heat. If the teeth and gums pale gums, means blood deficiency. If the teeth is and gums moist teeth, good state of kidney. If the teeth and gums is dry teeth, means kidney yin deficiency. So if your teeth and gums are dry teeth, kidney yin deficiency, and bright and very dry teeth, it means heat in young Ming, febrile disease. And if it is dry and grayish teeth, empty heat from kidney yin deficiency. The teeth are the surplus of bones, and the bones are governed by the kidney. The gums are places where the yang ming channels of the hand and foot are distributed. Therefore, observation of the teeth and gums can help to examine the pathological changes of the stomach and kidney and alterations of the fluid. This observation has an important significance for patterns identifications. The normal teeth appear as white, moist, and strong, which is the manifestation of sufficient kidney, qi, and body fluid. If the gums are light red and moist, it is the manifestation of sufficient stomach qi and blood in harmony. Abnormal teeth and gums. Number 1, teeth. Dry teeth, damaged stomach yin. Letter B, teeth are bright and dry like stone. means extreme heat and of the Yang-Ming, damage of blood fluid. Letter C, teeth are like wither bone, exhaustions of the kidney yin, essence not nourishing upward. Letter D, teeth are sparse, loosening, exposures of the root of the teeth, means kidney deficiency or deficiency far flaming upward. Letter E, teeth are dry, yellow, and fall out, exhausted bone associated with being critically ill. Letter F, parched teeth with sawdust, means dark brown or nearly black crust, means extreme heat of the stomach and kidney, but chi and fluid are exhausted. Letter G, parched teeth with no sawdust, means extreme heat of the stomach and kidney, chi and fluid exhausted. Letter H, clenched jaw, means wind, phlegm, black collaterals, or extreme heat generating wind. Grinding of the teeth means extreme heat generating wind. This will be seen as part of the convulsive disease. Letter J, grinding of the teeth in sleep. It means the stomach heat or parasite accumulations. Number 2, under the gums, letter A, pale gums, blood deficiency or loss of blood. Letter B, red, swollen, and painful gums with bleeding, means exuberance of stomach fire or stomach fire flaming upward. If the gum is pale and receding gums, means kidney deficiency or insufficiency of stomach yin. If the gum is light swollen and bleeding gums without redness and pain, it means spleen deficiency, blood failing to be secured and contained, or kidney deficiency, deficiency far flaming upward. If the gums are inflamed, discharged, or faded pus, even the lips are corroded, and the teeth are falling out, serious pattern of ulcerative gingivitis, mostly caused by externally contracted pestilence and the accumulated toxin attacking upward. Thank you for your attention.